everybody. This is 6 months later in the when I made the lecho. Now I'm at that time I didn't show real well how to make the nokedli. I'm gonna make nokedli now. I already have the lecho going, but this is the spaetzle. You know, I'm using a couple of books. One was another one I use it for the lecho. This one I use it for the spaetzle or the nokedli. This is 2 quarts of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, which I'm not going to do. And then I have 2.5 cups of flour, another teaspoon of salt. And in one, combine it with the bowl, with the mix together with 1 egg and slightly beaten and a cup of water. 1 cup of water. So, this is a 1/2 cup, so 1 cup of water. What does it say? What? 1 cup? Yes, 1 cup. A little bit more. That's all right. And then I put 1 egg in it, and I slightly knead it, but I need a fork, which I don't have. Wait a minute. Got a fork. I got a fork. So slightly beat it. And then 2.5 cups of 2.5 cups. So 2.5 cups. No, I got it.
This is 2 cups here.
Oh, maybe I put it in here then. If I fill it up. You say that's 2 cups? Probably like 2 cups. All right.
And 2 cups is all the way to the...
All the way to the top. All right, that's about 2 cups, and then I'll put it somewhere over here. And I'm getting a little bit nervous about this. My mother made it like this. Okay, that's good enough. All right. Now, I'm going to use this spoon, and I'm going to put it together. You can see that maybe, this is the spaetzle. It has to be pretty solid, but maybe a little bit on the loose side. Maybe I will cork it now that okay. Maybe I'm supposed to. Am I supposed to have it here? Yes, this is getting to be better. Maybe I just did too much. So here I'm going to put it on here. My mom used to cut it in the boiling water like this, right over here.
this village style?
This is village, for real village. Somewhere in the Hortobag. I tell you the truth, I haven't made this like this 50 years. And even then I didn't make it. I mean, it was so how my mom made it.
And what did you do the last time?
I used the spaetzle maker. You know, I put it in it and it just flows in there. She didn't make everything the way other people made it because, you know, there is a present way of doing it and there is a gypsy way, and she made it the gypsy way. She's not, you know, the one time in the Mission District there was a restaurant made by a Hungarian restaurant, and the lady who maintained it was a gypsy woman, and she made the same way that my mother made it. So I know that this is the way. This is not exactly the Hungarian peasant. It is actually, well, you might say the Hungarian gypsies do it. And now, the moment of truth. I hope this is done. Maybe I should check it first.
Mm-hmm. How long do you keep it in there?
Well, when it's supposed to, when it comes to the top, it's done. Well, we take a chance on this. If it's not done, we put it in a skillet and fry it. So you're not going to lose on this. Voila, it's all done. Now, and this was, I can't believe it, I've done it. I've been dreaming about making Nokedli for years, and this finally I did it. So. Hungarian lecho with Nokedli.